You ain't that bad. Hello. How y'all doing? Huh? How you doing? Hey. Got any friends in there? Is this y'all too? Pay no attention to me. Is there one or two over there?
Two.
I think it's two. They all cuddled up together.
That's a baby. No, it's two.
Oh, you're gonna come over and see what's up. Hey, she's stretching. What she got in her hand? Or is her hand broke? See her? She got her hand cuffed. I think it maybe hurt her.
Yeah, people have them as pets.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think there's something wrong with her hand. His hand. Something. Hey, sweetie. At least you... Oh, you peeing. You peeing. You came down to pee, so I can see you pee-pee. Your little friend up there cleaning the cell. Yeah. Hmm. Hmm.
People have them as pets.
Now he's just up there chilling. Hi. Hey. Hi, guys. Hi, Sugar Pooga. Hey. How y'all doing? Hi, Sweetie Petey. Hi, sweetie girl. Or boy. Whatever you are, huh? Whatever you are, your little friend up there cleaning herself, himself. Yeah. These came down